Hi guys and welcome. I'm Keith Robinson. I'd like to welcome you to the channel where you can discover how we're moving beyond manually flying security drones in the UK, and we're working towards autonomous drones to protect sites 24 hours a day and night, safely, intelligently and beyond visual line of sight. A bit about my background: I'm former military operations UK HM forces, after which I moved into close protection and I moved into management roles. I worked in southern Iraq on the oil and gas fields, and then in a management role and a training role I was in Kurdistan, which is not federal Iraq, it's northern parts of Iraq, where I was a security consultant and trainer. Back in the UK then, I started looking at my licensing and getting my drone licensing. This was well back into 2015, into 2016, where I could operate unmanned aerial systems in UK airspace. Since 2017, Airvis has been providing security and surveillance operations for business, private clientele and public safety events in the UK. The team and I may have been looking after you on many a safety event at 400 feet without you even knowing we were there. Through all this, I've learned something. We know manual flight, as we refer to it as manual compared to autonomous, is extremely valuable. It will always have its place in security in certain circumstances. Example of that will be mobile drone patrols. But when you're tasked with securing multiple locations, responding to threats and running 24-hour operations, that's when you realize the technology has to do more. We are at a turning point. Today's autonomous drones, they don't just think, they alert and they respond with real-time decision making, onboard AI integration into security networks. They can patrol perimeters, scan for movement, report to alerts, all in seconds, and be compliant with aviation regulations. And the UK and the CAA is paving the way thanks to BVLOS pathways and the SORA framework, i.e. the regulation. This isn't about replacing people, it's about extending our reach, giving security teams and their management the superpowers we know we can give them with drone technology, scaling protection with systems that never sleep. So to sum it up, if you subscribe, here's what you're going to get. Access to real-world drone deployments, the actual footage, data and missions, depending obviously on operational security, or autonomous systems that we're bringing in, access to all the behind-the-scenes footage on that, trialing the flights, post-flight analysis, and our honest reviews on the tools, drones we use, and what works and what doesn't work. The field breakdowns, how we solve problems in tough conditions from rural blind spots to high-risk areas, and the full behind the scenes of frankly building an autonomous drone company, including the daily challenges, failures and hopefully triumphs. This isn't just a flashy highlight reel, it's a real story, one that you can learn from, what it takes, what it costs and why it matters. So if you're a drone pilot looking to level up, a security professional exploring autonomy for your business or site, or simply someone that's just curious about the future of unmanned drone technology and security drones, you're in the right place. Subscribe, like the video. If you don't, we'll always look to improve. I'll be answering your questions below. Let's deploy smarter security one flight at a time.